How to add USDC to Phantom Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can add USDC to Phantom Wallet. For that, you need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. And now, once you are on the home page, you will notice that on the home page you will be able to see Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Polygon. But other than these four, you will not be able to see any other coins or any other currency like USDC or USDT. So in order to find it, you just have to tap on the manage token list option, and if you see in this list as USDC, you just have to turn the toggle button on right next to it and you will be able to add USDC on the Phantom wallet. But as you can see that currently USDC is not available in my account. Even if I use this search bar in the top and type USDC, you will notice that it is showing me that no tokens available. It is because currently I don't have USDC in my account. So if similar the case is with you, then you just have to receive USDC in your account first. Only then you will be able to add it in your Phantom wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.